To keep up with the latest content I release, please make sure you're following my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all using the same name, iAmHaks. Enjoy the video. Oh, hello.
Kurd.
Yes, Kurd. Kurd.
Yes, Türk.
Okay. So, what is the problem?
No problem.
So why you say Kurd? Turk. What is this?
Yes, Türk.
This is donkey. Ni hao. Ni hao.
Kürt ne? Aynen.
Hey, bro.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
I'm good, thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Turkey. And you?
Guess.
Kürt mi yazıyor lan orada?
Kurdish.
Aa,
What is Why?
kardeşim öyle bir ülke yok.
Can you use English? Can you say in English?
Benim İngilizce little English.
What does mean in English?
Hadi dur. 1 minute. Dream country Kurdistan.
I say Kurdistan or I didn't say Kurdistan.
Doğru sen demedin.
Harbici Kurdistan.
Target.
Harbici Kurdistan. What's wrong? Kurdistan is okay.
Tamam benim sorunum yok. No problem.
Kurdistan, no problem. Look, beautiful country, no problem. Very nice.
But
No?
dream country.
No dream. No dream. You dream. You think you Turkish. This is dream.
No.
You are not Turkish. You are Yunanistan. Look, Yunanistan.
Görüyorum ama no country.
Yunani. You Bulgari, Albani.
Onları da sevmem.
You Bulgari, Albani, Yunani.
No.
Armeni.
Siktir lan.
Speak English?
Speak English?
No.
What
Turkish.
language? Turkish.
What language? Turkish.
Evet.
What about Kurdish?
What about Kurdish?
No.
I am Kurdish.
I am Kurdish.
Why?
Why?
Bu. Bozkurt. No.
Be Kurd.
Me Kurd.
Evet, biz de Türk.
Yes. Look.
Bu.
Kurdim ne amına kodumun çocuğu kurdim ne amına koyayım.
What?
Bu ne amına koyayım?
Kurd, as Kurd.
La bir siktir git amına koyayım ya.
What's your problem? What problem?
Böyle bir yer yok.
You bring this down.
Yo.
Why? You can talk, but you are scared.
Da.
Talk, but you are scared.
Konuşma
Put
lan.
it down.
Konuşma sikerim ağzını yerine ha seni.
You are racist.
Kudur orospunun çocuğu.
Wait. Look.
Seni
Look.
Buluruz izini bilirsin sır denizdir sen yazında hem kışında nerede olsan seninle.
What is this? Amına koyayım.
yayın var mı yayın?
As Kurdim.
Yayın var mı?
Look. As
Lan
Kurdim.
yayın var mı? Bana
As
boş
Kurdim.
muhabbet yapma lan yayın var mı?
As Kurdim, you can see my face. Hello.
Hello, where are you from, bro?
I'm Kurdish. Where are you from?
Kurdish. Why dish? Why dish? I can't hear.
I'm Kurdish.
There is no have country. Huh?
Did
No
you
dish?
did
No
you
dish.
did
No,
you
what
ask
dish? What
what
dish?
is wrong
What
with you?
dish?
You're only being brave because you're wearing a mask.
You have not country.
You are being
know?
brave.
You have
You
not
you are
country.
being
You
brave
have not
because you are
country.
wearing
You
a
have-
mask. Why are you wearing a mask?
You have not country, motherfucker.
Okay, take off the mask and say this.
No. You
Take-
are a terrorist. You are a terrorist.
Take off the mask. I'm
Amına
laughing.
kodumun oğlu.
Look at this terrorist. Which flag is this?
Sana bir şey söyleyeyim mi? Tekke de olsa sikmiştim. Filistin.
No, Palestine. Which flag is this?
O ne? Ne bileyim amına. Ha şey mi? Bu ne?
Kurdistan.
Ha sikerim Kürdistan işte ya.
What?
Amına koyayım Kürdistan.
Hey, don't talk like that.
Fuck you Kürdistan.
Hey, don't talk like that.
Kürdistan.
You think you are strong? What is this?
Bak Kürdistan orospu çocuğu.
Orospu.
He.
هذا فسد. This is you.
Sen de orospu çocuğu.
I'm not saying it to you. I'm just laughing at you. Look at you. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
Aha,
Look at
Kürdistan.
it.
Mağdır bir sor bakayım.
Mother.
Lan siktir. Ya sikerim Kürdistan. Ahmet. Başına Ahmet. Muş, Erzurum, Van. Kam.
Yeah, look at it.
Kam, Erzincan. Mendeli, Miyan, Küver, Erzincan, Erzurum. Baş. Aha.
Aha.
هر بشي كردي كردستان
Her biji Kurdu Kurdistan.
تحت دليمني كيك
تجدل مني.
وقربة
Şev baş Brahman.
شاباش.
Hello.
Hello tourism. I am from Istanbul.
Oh, nice.
Bağcılar'dayız bebeğim.
I am Kurdish.
Kürdü.
Sen ananı sikeyim. Seni amına koyayım. Amına kodumu evladı.
Why?
Ben seni sikeyim orospu çocuğu.
Why?
Amına kodumu evladı.
You brain small.
Bunun beyni zaten yok ki amına koyayım. Sen ne bakıyorsun?
Seni amına koyayım.
You have to do
Amına
this.
kodumu evladı.
Do this on your brain. Hello. Her biji Brahman.
Oo çavani başı.
Ez başım tışavani.
Ez başım atanas dıkım.
Ez baş.
Kom.
Halki kudari.
Az halkı urfa ma tuş halkı.
ريحة.
Halkı afrin ne?
أريد جا من خلقي عفرين وبابا من خلقي سليمانية. أوه داس خوش. داس خوش. أبيش برايتي يا.
Bu kuzene bana.
أوه تشاوي تباشي.
Başım tıçavay.
أجي باشم تش خلقي رايحي.
Ambarras bekşine.
أري. تشا. وين؟
Ye gitar alav. Her biji.
Her biji. Hello.
Orospu çocuğu.
Why?
İçimden geldi.
Why you say orospu sucu? Why?
İçimden geldi.
Why?
Ya vay değil amına
Do you
koyayım.
speak
Sikeyim ananı.
English?
Ananı sikeyim.
Turk?
Elhamdülillah.
Okay.
Ananı
Kurd.
sikeyim.
Kurd.
Bro fuck you mother.
Why? Why?
I want.
Because you are Turkish and you are scared of Kurd? What? You scared of Kurd?
Ya fuck off.
Why you
Shut up.
scared? Why you scared? You scared of this? This?
Hayır you mom.
You scared of this?
No. Bak vatan millet meselesine dönüştü bu. Senin ananı
Look.
bütün Türklere siktiriyorum
Look.
tamam mı?
Look.
Amına kodumun oğlu
Look.
seni. Orospu'nun
What is
evladı.
this? What is it?
Kahpenin dölü.
What is this?
Neredesin oğlum sen?
What is this?
Konum at.
What is this?
Neredesin?
What
Where
is
are
this?
you? Where are you? Amına kodumun oğlu.
Where are you?
Türkiye'de yaşıyorsun, bu bayrağın altında yaşıyorsun, bu bayrağa ihanet ediyorsun. Kahpenin evladı.
What is this? Tell me.
Ananı sikerim Türkçe konuş. Kahpe.
What is this? If you'd like to support what I do and help me make future projects, then visit www.kurdum.shop, where you can shop for my brand. Every purchase directly supports my work, and I'm currently working on a season 2 for the collection. And there's even more exciting projects on the way. So thank you. Your support means everything.
Amını sikeyim senin.
What?
Amına soktumun çocuğu.
Whoa. Let me respond.
Bu Kürt.
برخوادانه سردمه عین بلبوی
Amına
وکانه.
çocuğu ülken nerede? Anasını sikeyim. Ülken nerede orospu evladı?
Her biji Kurdistan.
Hepinizin. Ben de ananı sikeyim o zaman.
Her biji Kurdistan.
Senin ananı sikeyim. Ülken nerede? Ülken nerede? Ülken. Orospu evladı. Somali bayrağı çekmekle olmuyor. Ülken nerede? O bayrağı götüne.
Come. Will show me your face? Come.
Annene mi?
Come. Why you scared?
I'm gonna fuck your mom.
Çema da tırsi. Çema da tırsi. Var.
He?
Detirsi.
Orospu
Detirsi. Var.
Kahpe
Detirsi.
orospu.
Önera az Kurdum. Show me your face if you are not
No,
scared.
I'm not showing my face to some
Look at this. Kurikar.
Kurikar.
Kurikar. Aciz buy ha. Var kurikar.
I don't like those son of a bitches.
What is wrong with you? Anyway, why are you so racist? I didn't even say anything
I'm
to
not
you.
racist. There is no Kurdistan, man.
Okay, why does this make you be
Let's make
racist?
it clear. There is no
Okay,
Kurdistan.
okay. If you listen to
You
me,
understand?
are you insan or haywan?
I'm insan.
Okay, then come talk.
Yellow
this?
wig. You
What
know
is
it
this?
good. Yellow wig.
Why
We
is
will put all of
Shush.
you. We will put
Answer
all of
my
you
question.
in yellow wig.
خاين عيب خاين.
I don't know Kurdish because I don't accept that language.
You don't accept the Kurdish language.
Yeah, it doesn't exist because
It doesn't exist, but somehow I speak it. Tell your Kurdish friend he's on YouTube.
YouTube'daymışsın. Öyle diyor. No problem. Bak.
See you soon.
YouTube'da man, wait. I'm going to report you if you share that.
Report me, I don't give a fuck.
Sen TikToker değil misin lan?
Nereye? Kurdumla TikTok.
Kürdistan nerede? Orası neresi? Bro Kürdistan yok yani. Kürdistan yok.
I am from Kurdistan. Me.
Allah için bir dakika. One minute bro.
Okay, go Google, type Kurdistan. Search Kurdistan. No, go back. Go back. Search Kurdistan. So what is
Okay.
this? This is not Kurdistan?
Irak.
Yeah, it says Kurdistan. Look, Kurdistan.
Irak ama burası. Irak
Kurdistan.
yani.
So nerede
Yok,
Kurdistan?
öyle-
Kurdistan. Nerede Kurdistan?
öyle bir şey.
Kurdistan.
Öyle bir şey yok.
You say nerede Kurdistan, you type Kurdistan, it says Kurdistan, you see Kurdistan.
Irak burası. Irak.
But it says Kurdistan.
Irak.
But it says Kurdistan. It says Kurdistan, no?
No.
I saw. It says Kurdistan.
Irak çıkıyor. Irak.
It doesn't matter. It says Kurdistan. This original Turk.
Bro, this guy's probably Mongol. Amına koyayım.
Yeah, that's Turk. Original
This
Turk
guy
is
Mongol. No.
original.
No.
Where are original Turks from? They came from where?
Anatolian Turks, bro.
Let's
Really?
let's step back.
Who is always there?
Okay.
Kurds?
When? Okay.
Stop. Kurds?
Yes.
Where is your history?
Okay. Do you want me to explain, or are you gonna keep interrupting me?
Okay, bro.
When did Turks come to Anatolia?
Probably.
That's what I thought. Do you know Kurdish, Kurmanji?
Kürdişmiş işte.
Kurdish, Kurdistan, Kurt.
Kürdistan diye bir yer yok. No Kürdistan.
I am from Kurdistan.
No, you're not. Stop lying. No, you're not.
What is this? Kurdistan.
No, it's
Hello.
Hello.
Do you speak English?
Little bit, mate.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from Turkey.
You Turkish?
Yes.
You don't look
Where are you
Turkish.
from?
I'm Kurdish.
In Iraq.
No. Kurdistan.
Where is Kurdistan? In Iraq.
No. Kurdistan is
Where?
much bigger. Diyarbakir, you know, like these places.
There is in Kurdistan.
Yeah.
You know, yellow bug.
Do I know what?
I didn't say anything.
You said yellow bag.
No.
Ah, you think you're funny?
No.
See, why? Tell me why I have a conversation with you very nicely. I say I'm Kurdish from Kurdistan and you're yellow bag. Why?
I was joke, bro.
That's not joke.
That's not joke.
You're talking about people dying.
No.
What is the yellow bag then?
What-
Tell
what-
me.
Why are you thinking about like this?
What is the yellow bag?
What is the yellow bug? This
What
is a joke.
About?
You know it.
What is the joke?
You know it, yeah.
Tell me what
What's
the joke is.
You don't know joke.
No. Tell me what the joke is. What is the joke? Yellow bag. What's the joke? That's what I thought. The yellow bag is what they refer to as when they kill Kurds, they put them in a yellow bag. The Turkish army put them in a yellow bag. And that's how they... Hi, what's up? Okay. Yeah. So they always refer to the yellow bag and say yellow bag because they're going to die, basically. That's their mentality. Even, okay, like I said Kurdistan, you could have got angry at that because you don't like it. Fine, but why do you always go to death and go so extreme? Oh my god, this guy again, man.
What dish? What dish? I
Hey,
don't know.
listen.
I don't know. I don't know.
Why are you so scared that you skip me? If you're gonna skip me, you talk.
I'm not scared, bro. I'm
Why
not
you
scared.
skip then? Why you skip me?
Bro,
Why
listen,
why'd you
listen.
skip me? If
Okay,
you're not
okay,
scared, why'd you skip
okay,
me?
okay, listen to me. Listen to me. One second.
What's your
okay.
problem?
Bro,
What's your
you
problem?
have a country? You have a country?
Yes.
Which country?
Kurdistan?
Where's the Kurdistan? Where's the Kurdistan? Where? Where, bro? Where? It's fake. You know? It's fake.
If it is fake, why are you angry?
Bro, it's fake.
Okay, if it's fake, why are you
Fake.
angry?
Diyarbakır
Okay.
is Turkish.
Okay, if it is fake, why
Yeah.
are you angry?
I'm not angry.
You don't agree? Oh, Kurd orospusucu. Before. What is this?
I make on you.
No, you don't make
Yeah, you
nothing.
know, I make on you.
Listen, I am Kurdish. I am a human being like you. I say I am
No.
Kurdish and I am from Kurdistan. What is your problem? Why do you care? Why do you care?
Bro. Kürdistan. Yok amına kodumun
So
oğlu.
for
You have
you,
not
okay,
country.
okay, for
You have
you,
not country.
for you, there is no country. For me, there is a country. What's your problem?
No.
What's your problem?
Diyarbakır.
So what? So what?
Diyarbakır in the Turkey.
Okay, for you.
Sivas
For
in the
you, okay.
No for you, no for you.
For me, it's not.
Kürdistan.
You tell
Not
me.
here.
You tell me. Why do you care if I believe in Kurdistan? What does it do to you? What does it do to you? Didn't think so. Hey, bro.
Selamünaleyküm.
Alaikum salam, bro. How are you?
Senin ananı sikeyim üstündeki sivit ne amına kodumun çocuğu.
What?
Lan ne Kürdistan amına kodumun çocuğu. Ananı
Wait. Why are you acting like a strange animal? Do you speak English?
No bro, I can't.
So what are you doing right now? You look like crazy.
Yeah, I'm crazy man.
You're crazy. I thought so.
I,
Yeah.
I think you're crazy.
Why?
Because you hoop Kürdistan.
I didn't even say Kurdistan. Why are you saying Kurdistan?
Oğlum what's your sweatshirt amına koyayım.
This.
Heh.
Kurdistan.
Hey,
Yeah.
Kurdistan. What?
What?
I don't understand.
What?
What's this oğlum amına koyayım öyle bir yer yok amına.
What? What?
Of amına. Oğlum you
What's
are
up?
Turkish.
Who's Turkish?
Bak.
Who is Turkish? You are Turkish.
Yes, you are also Turkish, I think.
No, I'm not Turkish. Do I look Turkish? Look at me, brother. Look.
Yeah, you look like orospu
Look at this. This is Kurdish hair, bro.
Ne var oğlum?
No, no
Kurdish
hair. You are Greek. Yo.
Ne o amına kodumun çocuğu. Ananı sikerim Allah bak.
Whoa, why? Why you swearing at me?
Yok ebeğin ami.
Why you say orospu çocuğu amına koyayım? Why? Ha?
Amına kodumun çocuğuna nasıl bir Türk tipi var ya.
Do you speak English?
Yarrak İngiliz sen amına.
Do you speak English? Do you speak Kırmancı?
Yok.
Kırmancı ne zani?
Türkçe orospu çocuğu Türkçe.
Es Kurdum.
Ben de Türk'üm amına koyduğum.
Ben Kurdum.
Ben de Türk'üm.
Okay, ben Kurdum.
Ben de Türk'üm.
Okay, why are you getting angry?
Angry?
Yeah, why? Why?
Anayın amına koyayım ben.
Bizi Kurdistan. Why are you acting like you saw a ghost? Did you see a ghost? Crazy. Racist. Fascist. What the fuck is
Anan
that?
faşist. Orospu evladı. Götünü
What is that?
sikerim.
Her bizi Kurdistan.
Yarrağımı Kürdistan.
Look. Now get
Al sana
angry.
Kürdistan.
Now get angry. Now get angry.
Yok ki yok.
You had no reason to get angry before, but I gave you a reason to get angry. Now get angry. Go on. Look.
Bekle.
Look.
Ananın amına koyacağım bekle.
Look. Diyarbakır. Herbici. Wait.
Bekle,
Picture. Take a picture. Take a picture with this. Mwah.
Kurdish son of a bitch.
Why are you racist to Kurd? Kurdish
I
why?
will fuck kill your mother in the ass. Kurdish son of a bitch.
Amına kodumun Kürdü. Kes ananı götünden siker öldürürüm senin Kürt orospu evladı.
What's up? You this one Kurdish man or not?
Yes, I'm Kurdish. How are you?
Good, and you?
I'm good, thanks, bro. Where are you from?
I'm from Azerbaijan.
Azerbaijan. How do you know I'm Kurdish?
I know you from TikTok. I come from Belgium.
Belgium, okay.
I have Kurdish friends.
Nice, nice. They also say they are from Kurdistan?
But they don't say it to me for respect, you know? I think
this is not correct. I think if you are from Kurdistan, you say you are from Kurdistan. What's the problem?
yeah, you have a region in Iraq, Kurdistan.
No, but this region is all over. It's the Turkish part, it's the Iranian part, the Iraqi part, the Syrian part. They're all Kurds. Same people.
Yeah, you have Kurds there, yes.
Yeah. What does Kurdistan mean? Kurdistan mean land of Kurds. This is Kurds, and in the land, this is land of Kurds.
Mm-hmm.
So it's Kurdistan. It's the same thing.
You can say it into history, but no, you have the lands on the map.
But the map is only made by politicians. Do you listen to politicians, everything they say?
For not everything.
Exactly.
You cannot say that it's not true, you know, the map. It's not
you can say it's not true. Kosovo, they said it's not true, and now they have a country. Before they were Serbia.
Yeah, but they fight for
and so do we, but Turkey calls us terrorists. We fight. So what?
But you bomb children.
No, we don't bomb children. That's bullshit.
Who bombs the children then?
Erdogan. Erdogan bombs children every day. He bombed children today and yesterday.
Why should they do that?
Who?
Erdogan.
No, he bombed children in Rojava, in Syria, in the Kurdistan region you mentioned. He bombs them there every day. There was one famous child he bombed with gas, and he had to go to France to get the operation for the skin, what happened to him.
Turkey didn't use
white phosphorus. Erdogan used white phosphorus in Rojava, and the child's skin was all burnt, and they had to send him to France. The President Macron brought him to France to get an operation. This was worldwide known news.
So you are specialist from that place, and you know everything.
Of course, I have family there.
Palestinian people, when they bombed Israel, is saying that like they didn't hit any children as well. It's war. Everybody gets hit.
And it's never okay. I'm saying in all situations. Palestine, Turkey, Israel.
It's not okay. Why is it okay for you then?
It's not. We don't attack children. What are you talking about?
Bro, it is defending your.
We only defend our land, and if you attack us, we attack you. We never attack your children or people. We don't have planes. We don't have bombs. We don't have. What are you talking?
You don't even have a country. What you are defending?
I do have a country. It's right there.
But why? If you type on Google PKK, it will say terrorist organization.
The same. If you type Hamas, it says terrorist organization.
Hamas.
If you type Hamas, it says terrorist organization. The same thing. Do you support Palestine or Israel?
Palestine.
Then is Hamas a terrorist organization? Because if I type it on Google, it says terrorist organization. Also, if I go on Google Maps and I search Palestine on the map, there's no Palestine on the map. It says Israel. So, shall we use your logic?
But Israel take it, you know?
Do you understand the history of when Ataturk came and what happened? Do you know that they were going...
Ataturk is...
Ataturk destroyed... Let me explain to you, because maybe you are on my side if I tell you this. If I tell... Okay, I know, you are anti-Ataturk. You are Islamist. Okay.
Yes.
You know the Diyarbakir and all of this was called Kurdistan in Ottoman Empire? Eyalet of Kurdistan. They respected Kurdistan. They respected the Kurds in Ottoman Empire because they were strong fighters for the Ottoman Empire. So when this Ottoman Empire broke down, Ataturk helped them to break it down. Then he created Turkey, and then he told the Kurds, you cannot speak Kurdish anymore. You have to speak Turkish. Is this good? If you look at God and you say this is good?
But that's of course not good, you know.
Then this is what's still happening today. It's what started from Ataturk.
But you cannot take the country, no. It's not possible.
Of course it's possible.
It's not try
what did they say about Saddam Hussein's Iraq? What did they say about Saddam Hussein's Iraq? What did they say about Yugoslavia? Where are they today? Showing you we were strong in the Ottoman Empire, which means we were defending the thing that you love, the Ottoman Empire. We were strong in the Ottoman Empire. We was known as the fighters of the Ottoman Empire. This is why they wanted to make us weaker and separate the Kurds in 4 countries, so they are no longer united. and they cannot be this strong anymore. And since then, look what it's done to us. This should be really in your mind if you are standing for these things. It's really sad that you don't think about these things. For me, it's sad. I don't understand. You look at me like I'm a terrorist and all this stupid stuff because of politics and literally what they have created today. This is creation of the men, like from the last 100 years. But if you go back 100 years, you will see what the Kurds were and how much they defended what you believe in.
Okay, but try no. Make your own country, but I don't know.
Well, we are trying. We have already succeeded in Iraq. We are succeeding in Syria. Iran and Turkey is next. It's natural.
I know one thing. Turkey will be bigger and bigger with the time.
Do you see? You are saying Turkey will be bigger and bigger because you want to invade more.
Yes, we invade more. We will. That Turkey will be bigger and bigger. It's not gonna change. It will bigger and bigger.
And you are happy about this?
Of course, my mind will not be changed.
Why do you want Turkey to be bigger and bigger?
Why not?
So when Kurds say we want Kurdistan to be bigger, we are terrorists. But when you say this, it's okay. When Turks say bigger and bigger, which countries are you gonna take?
We're gonna see it.
You're gonna take what? Syria, Greece, Iraq. You're gonna take this country, Iran?
Maybe we're gonna see it.
You see. And you call us terrorists for saying the same thing about our land where we live, and you want other people's land. RPG Kurdistan.
Siktir orospu çocuğu. Ananı avradını sikerim lan. Baba tanrım, anne tanrım. Kurdistan anasını sikeyim. Siktir. Orospu çocukları.
Look.
Orospu.
Look.
Götüne girsen o. Look. Götüne girsen. Look. Senin o götüne girsen orospunun evladı. Ananı sikeyim ben seni. Türk bayrağı yok be. Şunun götüne iyice bir tıkayın lan. Amına kodumun çocuğunun lan. Sıkılmasın lan. Yarraya kol çocuğu.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Türk bayrağını aç lan.
Looking for the Turkish flag?
Müslüman. Lan konuş be.
Kurd.
Okay,
I'm Kurd.
Türk.
No,
Bu
I'm not
Kürt bak.
Turk.
Ulan senin ananı sikerim valla. Orospunun çocuğu. Şöyle et lan şöyle et şunu. Ben adamı sikerim. Bu Kürt bre. Türk.
Faşist.
Ne mutlu Türk'üm diyene.
Ne mutlu Kurdum diyene.
Ne mutlu Türk'üm diyene.
Ne mutlu Kurdum diyene.
Ne mutlu Türk'üm diyene.
Ne mutlu Kurdum diyene.
Amına kodumun daha ülkeniz yok. Ülkeniz.
Ne mutlu Kurdistani diyene.
Ülkeniz yok. Ülke yok sizin.
Beji
Ülke yok.
Kurdistan.
Siktir orospu çocuğu.
Beji Kurdistan. Beji Kurdistan.
Senin anayı sikerim orospunun evladı. Ne mutlu Türk'üm diye şarkısını aç da. Açsa Hamdi aç. Hamdi aç. Hamdi aç. Ver demek yani.
This is so cringe.
Lan Hamdi aç lan.
Why is so cringe?
O ne demek biliyor musun? Lan Hamdi aç bile aç. Ben açamam. Sokağa açacağım. Ya aç bile aç. Ne mutlu Türk'üm diye aç. La hırrım.
Sen Kürtsün.
Yes.
Yayında mısın?
I don't speak Turkish.
Dur bir dakika. Çabuk kurmancı becimle kırmızanım ki.
Es Kurdum. Es Kurdum.
Ahmet'e mi?
Halkı Ahmet'i.
Ele.
Herbici.
Herbici.
Ben ara.
Oh çavete xuaro. Maye kavme Kürt zaman.
Naşike nedanet.
Tope zaman. Naşike udana tope zaman. Em korten. Denge uki süsrüvan. Dini manu ayman. Kurdistan.
Herbici.
Herbici.
Galax Faz.